This is Laura from Gardening Know-How, and today I'm going to show you how to plant spring vegetables in containers. Let's dig in. For this project, you will need a watering can, your choice of container, potting soil, and seeds. I'm going to show you how to plant onions, lettuce, and carrots, but you could also grow spinach, radishes, beans, whatever you like. The first step is to fill your pots with a good potting mix. And yes, you really do need to use potting soil, not garden soil. Your veggies need a mix that is light and drains well. The next step is to break up any clumps. This step is especially important for carrots. If they hit a chunk of soil, they'll go around it and grow into some pretty funky shapes. Once your soil is clump-free, it's time to plant. Plant onions as soon as the ground is workable, typically 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Onion seeds can germinate at temperatures as low as 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Use your finger or a pencil to poke holes in the soil to the correct planting depth. Sow onion seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. If you need a reminder, you can usually find the planting depth on the back of the seed packet. Once seedlings emerge, thin them out, leaving the healthiest onions 3 inches apart. Cover the seeds with soil, lightly patting to make sure there are no large air pockets. Then give your seeds a drink. Keep seeds moist, watering before the soil dries to help them sprout. Plant lettuce 4 weeks before the last frost. Not sure when that is? Find out your local growing zone and average last frost date on our website. Sow lettuce seeds 1/4 inch deep, following the same process as before. Like onions, lettuce can germinate at 35 degrees. Thin seedlings to 6 inches apart, and start fertilizing plants with a water-soluble fertilizer 2 to 4 weeks after planting. Plant carrots 2 to 4 weeks before the last frost. Choose a short variety like Little Finger or Short and Sweet. Soil should be at least twice as deep as your carrots are long. So for 4-inch carrots, use 9 inches of soil. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep. Carrots need at least 40 degrees to germinate. After they sprout, thin seedlings to 2 inches apart. Keep containers in a sunny spot and pull them close to the house if it gets below freezing. Water plants often, as soil tends to dry out faster in pots. One of the benefits of a container garden is having fresh produce right at your doorstep. So the final step is simple. Pick your harvest and enjoy. Good luck and good gardening.